It's quick and easy to manage your employees' monthly and hourly payroll with schoolBic school management system. This tutorial video will show you how to set up your school payroll process and everything you'd need to know regarding the payroll system in schoolBic. Stay put. For you to be able to configure the payroll system in schoolBic, you must be registered as the system administrator or user with access to the payroll module. The first step in the setup process is to create your employee's salary base in your institution. To do this, navigate to the special task menu and click on the payroll template function. From here you will see all the salary base you have created for both monthly and hourly salary and their payment amount. You can create a salary base to hold salary of a specific level of employees if all of the employees in this level share the same salary pay, or create a salary base for a specific employee. You can delete or edit a salary base by clicking on the bin or pencil icon respectively, and to add a salary base, click on the Add Salary Base button and enter the base title, base salary, and enter the hourly overtime cost you will pay employees that are allocated this salary base. You can add allowance to a salary base by clicking the Add New Row button and enter the title and amount of the allowance. Multiple allowances can be added to create another allowance row. Click the Add New button again. The process of adding allowance is the same for adding deduction, and to remove an allowance or deduction row, simply click on the red bin button. From here you can see the net and gross salary for the salary template you are creating. Click the Add Salary Base button to create the template. The next thing to do is to allocate salary base to employees in your institution. Go to the payroll module and click on the operation function. Select Change Users Template. This selection is used for changing and allocation employee salary base. Click on the Select User button and search for employees. Single or multiple employees can be searched and allocate a salary base at once. Click the Next button, and from here, you can select a salary base type to be used for the employee, either monthly or hourly salary base type. A specific salary rate can be applied at once or one by one allocating of different salary rate for the employees. Simply select the salary base template you want to allocate to the employee. Then, click the Apply the Operation button to save your configuration. Next, let's make payments to an employee. However, before making a payment to an employee, you can apply a deduction, add a bonus, or add overtime work paid to an employee's salary for that month before making your payment. And you can apply to single or multiple employee salaries at once. The process of adding those extra pays or deductions is almost the same. For bonus and deduction, enter the value, while for overtime, enter the extra working hour. And the system will auto-calculate the cost based on the overtime rate of the employee salary, and there is a space to write a note for the deduction, bonus or overtime. When done, click Apply the Operation button to make the changes to the employee's salary for that month. An employee will be able to see the deduction, bonus or overtime pay on their payroll history if applied to their salary. To review an employee's salary before making a payment, click on the Make Payment function. There are two tabs here. One for payment reviewing, the other tab for making payment. On the Payment Review tab, enter the month and year you want to check, and search for the user. You can check single or multiple users at once. Then click the Search Users button. Below is an overview of user salary information, and to check salary information, click the Salary Details button. To view the employee's salary details in full. To make a salary payment to an employee, click the other tab and enter the month and year you want to make payment for, and select all users to quickly make payment to multiple employees at once, or select the custom users to search for a specific employee, then click the Search Users button. From below you can see the employee salary type, net and gross salary, deduction, bonus, and overtime, and a section to write a note for the payment. If you would like to pay all employees at once, tick here. You can also unselect employees you don't want to pay. Select the payment method used and click on the Make Payment button to make your payment to the employee. Employees will be able to see their payroll history from their own portal through My Payroll module. And this is an example of how an employee payroll will look like. Using the report system in schoolBic, admins can easily get the payroll list of employees' salaries for a specific month, for all employees or specific employees, and export details via Excel or PDF file.